Alright, so now what I did is I lifted it up with my jack and my skateboard, lifted it up where it needed to be. Okay, I had 5 foot of that metal strap, so I hooked it up and ran it through the insulator. Hopefully that strap doesn't get too messed up, but I secured it. You know, it's about 6 inches, maybe 5 from the tire, but you know, this is just a temporary little fix for now. Okay, so now I'm getting this back attached to here, setting it on a jack stand, letting this shit dry because goop might do the trick. Hopefully that is the goal. We're gonna let that dry for a little bit, and yeah, you can see how even in there it's starting to slip. You know, we can't have that open, you know, so I'm gonna patch that up real quick.